Hi, I'm Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com here for CBOE TV. And one of the trades I'd like to talk about today, as a matter of fact, the only trade I'd like to talk about today, is one of the trades from our Market Taker Live Advantage group coaching class. We talked about it just today. The trade is in Google. Now, I'm going to tell you why I like this trade, and I'm going to tell you how I would manage this trade if I put it on. So here's the trade. I like selling the Google 975, 980 put spread in November for 90 cents or better. And here's why I like that trade. When Google gapped up upon its last earnings announcement, it gapped up really significantly above 980. Now that level now becomes support. It becomes a support level because we bounced up to that level. And it's going to be an important psychological support level as well, so both technical and psychological. With this trade, if I were to put this trade on right now and sell that put spread for 90 cents, as long as Google stays above 980 between now and November expiration, then I would get to keep that 90 cents that I would collect when I made that trade. Now, of course, what happens if the stock ends up falling and goes below 980? Well, in that case, then I'd have to do a little bit of damage control. If I were a brand new trader, what I would do is I would simply close the trade down, take a small loss to avoid a bigger one. Maybe if enough time passes, I would not have a loss at all because I would profit from theta, and I would make more on theta, that is time passing, than I lose on the stock falling. Now, I've been trading for a while. What I would probably do is I'd probably do some sort of adjustment strategy. I would probably roll down to a lower strike so that I would still have on a put spread trade. And what I would do is I would kind of move that line in the sand, that break-even point, a little lower. So instead of needing the stock to stay above 980, I would need it to stay above something like, 975 or 970. Whatever strike, I roll that spread down to. This is Dan Passarelli with MarketTaker.com here for CBOE TV.